Thanks, Jermaine. The Reggae Boyz are set to face Martinique in a friendly international this month as preparation continues ahead of the FIFA Intercontinental World Cup playoffs in Mexico in March. JFF President Michael Ricketts revealed to TVJ Sports that the match will take place in Martinique.
We go to Martinique for a game on the 21st, just again to give Coach Speed and his staff an opportunity to look at some local-based players. We, of course, as a part of preparing for March 26 and 31, where, of course, we have two very critical games in Mexico, in Guadalajara. So we are doing our very best. Like I said, we would have missed an easier opportunity, but we are still intent on qualifying for the World Cup, and the JFF is giving as much support to what's left of the process.
Ricketts added that the JFF remains fully committed to qualifying the team for the FIFA showpiece in the United States, Mexico and Canada this summer.
And Rudolph Speed and his coaching staff are very intent on getting us there. We want to do this for Jamaica. We want to do this for displaced people in the west of the country. We want to use this as an opportunity to give the Jamaican people something to smile about, and we're giving it our best shot.
The Reggae Boyz defeated Grenada 1-0 in a friendly international last month. They will face New Caledonia at the Intercontinental Playoffs on March 26, with the winner of that contest battling the Democratic Republic of Congo on March 31 in the final for a FIFA World Cup spot. The FIFA World Cup runs from June 11 to July 19.